Hey guys, in this video we will learn how can we convert our Excel file into PDF file in very simple step. I have this Excel document and if I want to convert into PDF, I'll go to the file ribbon and then I will go to the save as option, and first I will browse to select the location where I want to save my document. So I will basically keep the same location and just type V1 volume 1 and save as type. Here I'll go to the drop down and here you can see the PDF option. There are lots of options appearing here, so I need to choose PDF one. Click on this one and then press save. Now it will convert my Excel file into PDF file in a matter of seconds. You can see now it also pick all the formatting as well, the same text color, text bold, heading, and all the colors scheme as well. So this is how you can quickly convert your Excel file into PDF file. Hit the like button if you like this video.